Guys, hello, good morning. Not good morning, it's good afternoon. Hala guys, tanawan niya mong dalan. Okay pa ni siya. Guys, wala po kayo diri pa ingon sa amo guys. Nanilugaw dyan siya guys. Tapon niya mong itoy. Oh. Then, nagsandal-sandal ko guys. Mapalit tayo kong coke. Mapalit kong coke para sa mahilig sa coke. So you should read the pita guys. Guys, so for today's video, I'm here in Dumlog, Toledo City, and my cousin try to look at what he is doing right now. Yeah, because there's a lot of grass here, and my cousin used spray medicines for grass dying. Yes, because all the grass here is very, many, and they try to to remove all the grasses here, but I think it's gonna be 3 days or 3 days or more. It will grows again because Cebu or Philippines is is rainy month or rainy season here, so I think it's gonna be try to look at this. They're planning to remove all of this, but since the weather is not good, it's raining, it's better to use that one, a medicine. Here guys, the medicine. Ako ni paputol ang saging niya, oy. Wa mangyapon ko nakakaon aning saginga. Here guys, medicine for grass. So I plan to remove all these banana trees because it's a little bit disturbance in the area where I can put here this one. The delivery truck